School got canceled today, so I decided to pack it up and get out. It's 30 degrees, it's pretty cold. In my last video, I mentioned that New York changed the regs, but it is artificial only, so I am gonna roll my center pin again today. So I'll be using nymphs. I'll be tying nymphs on under my shot line and my my float. No bait, obviously, because you can't do that and wanna do the right thing. So I'm at a tailwater, just something new, and gonna give this one a shot. It was a tip from a buddy, so I'm really happy about that. So we'll see what I can do. All right, that's it. Really happy I stuck that fish. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, had a couple other bobbers go down, but you know, it was just real quick hit and then they were gone. So I'm not even gonna count those. But anyway, it was cool. I got some action. New little hole, new little place. It's kind of easy to get to. It's a bit of a drive, but no biggie. Anyway, head back to the truck. It was nice to get out for a bit. Caught a fish in January. I'm happy about that. And we'll see if I can't catch one next month and maybe every month this year. I could try. Anyway, till next time, have a good one.